Today you're going to learn how to clean the brand new 2026 Tri-X filter by HotSpring Spas. For removing filters, you want to make sure your power's off, but locate your filters underneath the filter lid in your hot tub. You'll start by unscrewing the cap, and the filter simply slides right over the filter tube. Next, soak it in your favorite filter cleaner according to its individual instruction. When your filter's done soaking, you'll flip it upside down, unscrew the bottom, and you'll grab your powerful hose. You'll notice 9 small holes in the bottom of this filter. This is where you need to rinse very, very well in each individual little gap. You want to make sure that the water running out of the filter is completely clean without any bubbles or suds before proceeding to the next hole. When all the smaller holes are running clear, move to the bigger one in the middle and make sure that rinses out clean as well. Now you're able to put the cap back on, flip the filter over, and replace it back in your hot tub.